What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to use TWS with your Canon-XXL speakers. Now the cool thing is, if you had two Canon-XXL speakers, you can link them together through TWS or true wireless stereo connection to play music from both speakers at the same time. So to do this, we're first going to choose which speaker we want to use as our main speaker. So for today, I'm going to use this one right here and power it on.
Power on. Bluetooth.
I'm then going to link my Bluetooth device to the speaker by going into the Bluetooth settings. I'm then going to search for the device that reads Canon-XXL and click on it to pair. And you'll hear that sound letting you know your device is connected to the speaker. So now that I've got my main speaker all set up, I can go ahead and power on my second speaker. And now to link the two speakers together, I'm going to go to the pairing button here on the main speaker and click it just once. You're going to hear that first sound letting you know that the feature is engaged, and once you hear that second beep, you'll know that the two speakers are connected together. What's also really cool is that you can use the controls on either speakers and have it affect both speakers at the same time. So for example, if I wanted to switch the EQ mode on both of my speakers, I can just press the mode button on one of my speakers, and you'll hear that it's affected on both. And the same thing will go if you want to affect the volume on both speakers, pause and play your music on both speakers, etc. So now let's play some music and hear how it sounds on both speakers at the same time. Yeah, that's really cool. Sounds so good. Now, if you want to disconnect your speakers from TWS, all you're going to do is go to the pairing button on your second speaker and hold it down. And once you hear that sound, the main speaker becomes the only speaker playing music again. And to reconnect, you can press the pairing button on your main speaker. And again, you'll hear that first sound letting you know it's searching for the second speaker. And once you hear that second beep, the speakers are connected. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up TWS with your Canon-XXL speakers. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.